Did you know 89% of nursing students mispronounce hypertension? Let's fix that fast. Hypertension, 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 hypertension. Repeat after me. Hypertension. Repeat after me. Hypertension. Not hypertension. 3 syllables. Hypertension. Once more, not hypertension. 3 syllables. Hypertension. Example. The patient has stage 2 hypertension. Hypertension. Let's start pronounce again. Hypertension. 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 Comment BP if you got it right. Next up, aneurysm pronunciation.